In this video we are going to create or basically build the Unity app. I know it is out of context of the further, but it will use the concept of Xcode. So basically we will publish a Unity project in the Xcode. So how I will let you know how we can create the Unity builds into the Xcode. Okay, so basically there are few steps you have to follow, as I will not able to show you what the project is, but you all have to firstly go to your main step is go to the edit version. If you are uploading it for the first time, so you can just go to the edit, go to the project settings, and then you have to change this version. If you are updating right now, it is my updated version, so I'm just sticking with it. Also, if you are giving a same app with a different version, you can change the build number, which is over here. You can increase this every time you want it. So, and it is very crucial, you cannot change it after once it is done over here, so take in mind. So once that you don't have to set, it is auto save. You can just cross it out, don't hit the save, you just cross it out. Now your task is to file, and now just go to the build profile. As soon as you go to the build profile, if you want to do it for other Android or any other else, you can't download it for it basically for Android and everything. I right now want to do it for the iOS. Okay, I can also do it for Mac OS. I can switch the platform if I want, so I can use for Android. So for the Android I just use the build and run. So if you want to directly run it on your iPhone, you can run the build and run, but right now we are going to publish it on the App Store. So for that we will just press on the build. As soon as it filled, you have to select a folder, and in that folder all the files of the iOS will be uploaded. So right now I already done that, so I'm not doing that again. So just cancelling it out, and I will show you the folder directly. So yeah, so this is a folder. We are the folder you will get after you get the build. So it will take around 5 minutes, but once you are completed with that, you can just click on that. So I will now show you very quick steps how can you do this. So now you can see in this you have all the files. This is your workspace file, which is like Xcode files. I know key extension icons are wrong, but due to the I don't have the Xcode before, so that's why it happened. So now if you go to the folder, just right click on it. I think in the Mac you can double finger on it, double press on it, and open the new terminal at the folder. As soon as you do that, you just have to press pod install. So we are installing all the packages, all the pods. This is a crucial step. If you do that, it's to ensure that all the versions are there, so nothing to worry over here. Okay, yeah please. So once done, now you have to do another step, which is this guy. So what you have to do is chmod plus x. It is basically an centralization of a file, so I don't want you to make it complex. Just copy find this file in your folder, drag it out, take it to the terminal, and press and publish it over here. Once done, hit the enter. It will not react anything, it will not load anything, it will automatically configure like that file according to the needs. Once everything is done, okay, now it's time to shine. Open the Xcode. You already must have an Xcode and an app developer account to do this. Basically just go on this. If your icon is not a workspace icon, just go on the right click, go on F1 and go to Xcode. As soon as you hit that, your Xcode will be popped up like this. That is a wonderful thing. Yeah, so after that you have to wait for a few seconds, as I'm doing right now. Then once everything is initialized, you can go to Unity iPhone, your app, and then you can go to the signing configuration, then enable this automatically manage signing. So if you have the signing key created for your Apple developer account, you can just press on the automatic signing, select the team. So right now I'm going to select my company's team, then I go to the next. So this is the target, so I have to select all the targets. Repeat man. Boom. Yeah, this doesn't have that. So once done, you will know there's no other errors like that. After that, select all of them and just make sure that bit, basically you have to search bit, the bit is not yes. So basically if any of these last fives have yes in the bit, just change it to the no. And similarly, if you search for the embed, there is no embed, so you can also work for it. Once everything done, make sure it is clear, everything is okay to go, and now you directly just go to the product. Make sure the any iOS device is selected. Okay, Yeah, any iOS devices, ARM64 is selected. Now go to product and just hit the archive button. As soon as you hit the archive button, it would take some time, so be patient, like around 10 to 20 minutes. Once it's done, it will open a tab with the app and app version selected. Then you just have to press whatever you want. If you want to do the test flight, you can select the test flight. If you want to do the distribution, like distribution means go live with that app. So if you want to only go to the test flight, you can select the test flight. If you only want to go to the internal testing, you can also select that. So just next. Basically that's the step you have to take for next. There's nothing big, there's nothing more than that. So I think I should not wait for that long to happen, so I will close the video. So that's for it. Thank you and have a nice day.